welcome to my channel. You guys know what it is. It is time for my Walmart summer beauty box. Now if you guys are excited for this like I am, I definitely recommend trying this. It is like $7 and you get 4 boxes a month, so it's like $28 for the whole entire year. Some of the stuff are full-size items and some of them are kind of crap, but I absolutely love this. This is a box that I will keep on getting. I've actually had this box for 3 weeks now, you guys. 3 weeks, and I haven't been able to post a video because we are currently remodeling our living room and we had no furniture, and I had all my filming stuff, everything was gone because I had to put it all away. So I am excited to finally, guys, open this and let's just dig in and see what the summer box is. Now remember, everybody gets different stuff. I think they have you answer a couple questions. Some of you guys get the same stuff, some of you don't, but here we go. I've been really liking getting, ooh, I got another brush. I've been really liking getting the mascara. So here we got the Sunshine in a box. They give you some of the items in here, and we have a Rimmel $2 off coupon on the back. So the first thing I see is a Tangle Teaser Detangler Naturally Curly Hair. This is what I need. This right here is $12.97. $12.97, and I paid $7 for this box. And I'm pretty excited because my hair is just in pure knots lately. With it being so humid lately, I haven't been straightening my hair because my hair just goes poof, and there's no point of doing it. So I've just been moussing my hair lately. But yes, I am pretty excited to have a hairbrush that is a detangler for natural curly hair. Yes, 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 yes. Can't go wrong with that. The next thing I see, there's a no cover. There's a cover. We got a cover. We have leave-in conditioner. Stay hydrated. It is Ava NYC. This is the 2 fluid ounces. The big one is 5 fluid ounces. So this is, the full size for this is $13.97. I don't know how much this costs. This will probably cost like $6, $5, $4, $3, whatever. But this is a leave-in conditioner. Use on damp hair and then air dry or heat styling. Okay, this is perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. Got that. Ooh, this is what I need. This is what I need. We got Sun Bomb 30 SPF sunscreen lotion. This says it's the, okay, so this is 1 fluid ounce. I'm assuming this is like $2 or $3. The full size is $16.48, but I really needed a travel size sunscreen, and I want to keep it in my purse because there are times where we'll be like, oh crap, I wish I had sunscreen on me, and this is easily just something I can just quickly put on my kids' cheeks and nose in case we are out and about. So yes, yes, yes. This is different. I ended up getting a sample. A CoverGirl sample. It's not on here. A CoverGirl sample mascara. This is weird. I don't know if I've used this one. I have the bigger size of this, right? I do wear the CoverGirl mascara because I just use whatever I have. But I have never seen a little sample. Oh my god. There's hardly anything in there. Like, I can see the bottom. I can see the bottom of it. I can see the green. So there's hardly anything in there. But that's cool. That's a great little purse thing. Like, if you need some mascara, like, for whenever you're out and about. Oh, I just gotta do a couple things. And I just dropped it between my legs. Yes. Yes. I like it. I like it. Okay, we got one more thing. Oh my god. This box is, like, perfect for me, you guys. So I ended up getting the Dove whole body deodorant, a sample size. So the full size for this is $11.99. This is the baby size, so this is probably like $3 or $4. I work outside. I'm off for the summer, but I work outside and I do put deodorant on, and sometimes I'm like, oh, I need more deodorant, and this is perfect for me to use at school. Oh, I love the smell of it. What smell is this? Coconut and vanilla. But I am perimenopausal right now, so like I've had a hard time finding deodorants that work, but if I'm desperate I will use this. But this box is perfect. $7, you guys, I paid for this. And we have a tiny little worthless piece of mascara. We ended up getting a little travel size deodorant, which is, again, perfect for my purse. Sunscreen, perfect for my purse. Then we got some leave-in conditioner, and I feel like you could go a long way with this. It is a spray bottle, so yes. And one thing I like about this is if I decide I want to buy the product, I can just put some more in here and have it, you know, wherever I go. And then I got a detangler hairbrush. Yes. So I'm going to say this box is probably, if this is $12.97, I'm going to say this box is probably $20. $20 for all this stuff, and I paid $7. So yes, they also have, the only thing I didn't get in here is they have a Maybelline eyeliner, and then they have a Dove aluminum free deodorant. So there's 2 different deodorants you can get, but that was everything that I got. And then maybe some people will get Rimmel if they have a Rimmel coupon. But yes, I love it all for $7. Like I said, if you guys have not tried it, you can cancel at any time. I've been doing this subscription for years, and a lot of you guys always comment, hey, I got that too. So yes, but that was my summer box. I love it. I'm excited to use all these items. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys again next time. See you later. Bye-bye.